Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with more AF94. We're going to be taking the backline eyeliner in the shade Cowboy Code, which is a nice brown, and then we're also going to use the shade Casino and swatch them out for you. These are kind of like a metallic. You can kind of see a bit of a sparkle running through them, but we're going in with Casino first, which is a nice teal with a little bit of, I would say, like a silver shimmer in it. Nothing too like high shine sparkly, but it's a nice little subtle touch to the eyeliner. I already know I love these eyeliners. They're super nice and transfer proof. Obviously you want them to set first so you can see how it transferred a little bit. Just like keep your eyes closed, let it dry, and then once it's dry it won't budge. I'm actually doing a video where I'm testing out all my favorite brown eyeliners for you, and they're all so far at Drugstore. I don't think I have a single high-end one, so look forward to that video. The swatch I did is terrible, but I promise it's not. My landlord was out my window and it was making me uncomfortable, but it's a nice neutral ashy brown. We're going in with the 69 gel eyeliner in Hot Summer Nights. It's your typical rotates up yellow eyeliner. It's a little crayon kind. It's definitely very pigmented. I wouldn't say it's the most glidey eyeliner, but I mean, I'm not going to complain. The brand is super fun and innovative and super inexpensive at the drugstore, and you don't really see a lot of drugstore makeup brands like that do fun stuff like this. And you can also, I ended up doing this kind of like, I was trying to mimic this photo draw pop-up here that she had. I didn't do anything too similar, but it's as good as I could get. But this is definitely, I've been playing with it more. You can use, so say if I just took it on, put it on my eyelid and then use a little brush to like stroke out the color, you can do that, but you can also just draw it on like I did. I've definitely never did like a shape like this around, like definitely in the front of my eye before, but it was fun. I was just trying to mimic the look she had in the promo, and I feel like I did a decent job. Then we're going up with the Push to Start Volumizing Mascara in the shade Punch Drunk, which is just like vibrant coral. I don't think I've ever seen a mascara like this, and especially from the drugstore. I would say it's pretty opaque, but is it the most like volumizing mascara I've ever used? No. But it's definitely fun. I started out with just trying to put it on my lower lashes, but then I ended up just putting it on both because I was struggling so hard to just get it on my tiny little bottom lashes. But the colors are super fun. Definitely a nice little pop to your makeup. Yeah, here's me building it up and adding it to my top lashes some more. It's definitely, like I said, not the most volumizing or lengthening, but it's still fun and a good price. And let's be real, I'm an eyelash queen, so I'm never gonna like go out with just this. I mean, I could, but I feel like, I don't know, it's a lot for me. But definitely fun for playing at home or on my bottom lash line. Now we're taking that Cowboy Code liquid liner and just adding some more definition to that crease. I didn't even realize in the photo she had the brown eyeliner on, so look at me go. Didn't even notice. Like I said, this brown eyeliner is amazing, and I am covering up the pink on my top lashes because I was going to put eyelashes on, but this brown eyeliner is so waterproof. I wore it in my kitchen job and it didn't even smear on my eyelid, which is a big con for me. If it does that, I'm not going to wear it, or I have to set it. But I added some more to my bottom lashes, and look how fun that is. A cute little yellow, brown, pink moment. Now we're going in with the Bite Back Playdate Multi-Use Lip Color in Bite Back. It's just like a little twist up tube. You can put it on your cheeks and on your lip. It's nice vibrant coral. It's definitely kind of like the mascara. And there's it all blended out on my hand, and here's me applying it to my cheeks. It's super glowy and natural. You can build it up more than this if you want. Their About Face just came out with cream blushes, and there was one this exact color, so I feel like I saved myself some money. And here is me applying it a little bit on my lips for a nice, just like my lip color but brighter kind of vibe. And then I do apply it again just to punch up that color a bit, just to see how pigmented it could get. And it can get pretty pigmented and super cozy on the lip. It doesn't feel drying or anything. Now we're going in with another Majorly Matte liquid lip in the shade Just a Crush, and it's kind of a cool tone, dark mauve. Again, kind of the color I wore my wedding day. I'm obsessed with this color. It's fail proof. And then we're going to try Sucker Punch, which is the most vibrant hot pink I've probably ever seen for a liquid lip. And it's super fun. And yeah, the formula is good. It's really long lasting, not sticky, and it doesn't transfer. I'm definitely gonna have to try this with the orange that I got. It's like the orangey red, and do a nice like ombre lip for like Valentine's Day. I feel like that would be super cute. Even that, use it as an eyeliner as well as a lipstick for a nice monochromatic moment. Nice formula. I feel like it would work well for that. But don't forget to like and comment and let me know what new stuff you've tried out. Also, this was my majestic boo-boo. He unfortunately passed away the other day unexpectedly from we're not sure what, and I miss him so much, and so does his brother right there. It's his actual brother, which is crazy because they look so different. I just wanted to share his beautiful self with you so more people could see how cute and lovely he was, and ferocious. Look at that. Don't forget to give your pets all the extra hugs. Have a good day. Bye.